Hey there everybody, this is Troy from Make Sales Faster and happy to give you today a product review called Six Figure Secrets. And you're going to want to check this out today, see if this is something for you. Are you interested in really making a good living in the online space? Well, that's the goal of this product. And so today we're going to give you an honest review of it, give you the goods, the bads, the honest, so you can make a good decision. And just so you can know that if this is the kind of product you should be investing your money in. And so the claim, it's steal the secrets the gurus don't want you to know. And I believe they say this because if there is one thing that those that make a lot of money in the online business versus those that make average, it's the ideas that are contained here. And basically it's about how to build a product. Okay. So this is going to talk about how to do that. It's only got to starting on May the 27th. This project is going to launch, so you will want to get in, and this closes on May 1st. So I'm going to tell you about the product. Also, I have some bonuses for you. You're going to be able to get all of this in the link below this video. Okay, so in the description portion of the YouTube video you'll see it says bonus crate, and you'll see the link. It's right there. Grab it. Then you'll get to this page and see these red and white buttons. This is where you click to purchase the product. So to give you an idea, it's $12.95 to get in on this product. And I'll tell you what's involved with that and tell you the upsells. And so when you think $12.95, most of us think maybe not too much money. Nothing not. But what am I going to get for it? Well, what if the product isn't worth it? Would I've wasted $12.95? Well, you always have the guarantee. But more than that, I want to show you my bonuses, because these bonuses alone are going to be worth way more. So this first bonus, it's a JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. Basically, this is a bot that will go out and it's going to help you get leads from the internet. That's the purpose of JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. So this software alone is worth $427.95. One thing you need in most online businesses, certainly affiliate marketing, is you need traffic, right? So that's what JavaScript Commission Bot does. And really cool software. It'll get you leads that you need. The second bonus is automatic page creator. So when you're creating pages at this level, when you're building products, you're going to need some pages created. Well, that's not included in Six Figure Secrets, so you're going to get it here. This is a free service, automatic page creator. You'd normally pay $46.95 for this. Comes free with my bonuses when you buy the $12.95 product. Bonus number 3, Bing. Accelerate your traffic with Bing ads. Bing ads are an underutilized source of cheap traffic, cheaper than Google, cheaper than Facebook. So you're going to want to get traffic to those products you're creating. Bing is a wonderful resource to do that. So you're going to want to get that training. Then Mirage Pro Graphics App. These are graphics that you're going to be able to use because you're going to need graphics. You're going to need a logo. You're going to need images of your product. You know, those boxes that they have images of. All of that is you're going to be able to create with this product. And you have resell rights, meaning that you could offer this as a bonus if you're selling something, because you have the resale rights, right? And you can resell this for money. So this could be its own business if you wanted to get into helping people get graphics. Maybe somebody's an affiliate business, affiliate marketing business, and they need graphics for something. Or somebody is maybe e-commerce. Well, they're going to want to have graphics. You could sell them the rights to this software themselves. And here's another one. You could make graphics for people like on Fiverr. You could be a seller on Fiverr or Upwork. Make graphics for people. Even if you have no experience, access Mirage Pro Graphics is going to help you. The next bonus are all the vendor bonuses. So there's a whole bunch. I'll show you the back end. Some of those bonuses are. So what a great value. For $12.95, you're going to get all this that you'd pay many hundreds of dollars for. So probably if you don't have those products already, you're going to want to buy them today. So what is Six Figure Secrets all about? Now, by the way, just a reminder, to get this today and all the bonuses, $12.95, click on well, basically before the link under this video, click that. It'll take you right to this page. You'll see this at the top, Joe Knows Insight bonus bundle. You can click here, this yellow button, or these red and white buttons all the way down. Click it, get it. You'll be good. So what's this all about? Well, it's training-based platform. So it is training. There's no software in this. We'll show you the training in just a second. There's several upgrades that go with this, right? So there's upsells and downsells, right? If you know what upsells is, kind of the inside information. Let's say you want upgrade 1, which is a 20 times accelerator. So basically, this is a done-for-you setup of your system. They will set it up. Your customers will get stacks of professionally created videos, social media posts, graphics, and you can customize it in just seconds and plug it in. So if you want that, if you skip this first one, you'll get this in the downsell. Second is the 800% income blaster, right? So this is going to give you crazy hacks that will help you get lots and lots of buyers that aren't in the core program. 67 and 37. Traffic mastery. How do you get traffic to your site? 97 and 67. Unlimited traffic. So what the sellers do is they're going to put your pixel on their sales pages, which is going to get you some traffic that they've already proven works. Okay. And then resell rights. If you like this idea and want to sell it to other people, you can get the resell rights for $97 or $47, right? So depending on your goals, this may be worth it getting those upsells, right? Or certain upsells. So let's look at the product. Let's see what's really in this thing. We're going to be able to show you the first level here. So it starts off with a welcome. There's three guys doing this program. You're gonna like them all. This is the intro. Is a good way to kind of get you ready for the course. One day setup is there's a done for you product that comes included with this, meaning there's a product that's already set up that you'll be able to use and profit and make money from. They explain it to you all here. There's step-by-step videos on how to do it. You'll see all these videos here. How to set up Groove funnels and Groove Pay. It's called or Groove Sell. My apologies. In the main training, how to structure your product, how to come up with the ideas. How to create the main training. It's all video based. How to create your upsells. Because if you know anything about affiliate programs, there's the base product, just like we're talking about today, and then there's the upsells. And the upsells apply to certain people. Well, how do you go about creating those, right? Then how to make your welcome overview and your overview of the training, right? All that video stuff shows you step by step how to do it. A 3-step sales letter. You got to be able to sell it. So it takes you through those steps. How to build your site for free. You're going to get some great ideas there. And with your page generator, that's one of our bonuses. This will support that. It'll make it even easier for you. And then traffic. And we've already given you a couple of extra traffic programs, but here the traffic instructions are all here in this video. There's additional resources, there's product name generators, there's lots of free software, done for you bonuses, all included. By the way, here are some of the other bonuses. The 20 times accelerator, the income booster, the traffic mastery, unlimited traffic, all there. These, by the way, these are upgrades, my apologies. And you'll get all of your bonuses within this program, the extra bonuses. The bonuses that I talked about that are in your core training, you will get those from me in the little, you'll look, once you get your Warrior Plus receipt, you'll see this little blue button on the bottom. So once you get your receipt, you'll see access your purchase, then click the blue button. Those are my bonuses. These are all the things I've just talked about here, the Graphics Pro, the Bing ads, the automatic page creator, and the Commission Bot Pro. So all that's included. You're going to, you've seen all the upgrades. You see what's involved with that. Folks, you're going to know, do you want to really get into the big leagues of making money online? If it's yes, this is probably one of the better ways to get there. For $12.95, you get all the basics. You really can't go wrong with this. And so we recommend, if that's your goal, get it. If that's not your goal, this might just waste your time or distract you. So you're going to know what your goal is. Maybe this is later for you. Maybe you want to buy it now for later, but that is our review, and we thank you for visiting, and our goal is to help you make sales faster. So reach out to us, send us an email, let us know what you need in the YouTube comments area. If there's anything you need, just put a comment in there and we'll reach out to you and make sure you're taken care of. So enjoy this product, make some money from it. That's why you're here, and good talking with you today.